experience with working with some brands, and it's not the first time I go to the exhibition. So it's not only the first time. We have went to some others exhibitions. So everything is smooth.
Right. And,
Yeah.
So what is the benefit that you're getting? Like since last how many years you're associated here?
I don't know. Maybe I get a lot of brands or designer or the purchaser, so I get too many benefits from the exhibition. And yeah.
Very nice. And
Okay, good.
how do you think that IndianApparel.com can help you, boost your supply chain, or you have clients in India?
What?
You have clients, buyers in India?
Some brands is Indian, so I find met too many Indian and have some cooperation with them too. But I think the most key to work with the Indian is price. Yeah. The price,
So what is
a low
your-
price with the high quality.
Right.
Yeah,
Of
yeah.
course. So what is your target audience?
My target Indian is a big brand.
Bigger
As you know, big brand with the high quality, and we will never focus on a little 1 or 2 cents price. So they just focus on the service, the responsibility, and some short production lead time.
Right. So your focus is mainly on the quality.
The high quality.
So what are the measures that you take for controlling your quality?
What do you want the quality? Quality.
You said, right, you focus more on
piece,
quality because that's where the cost is higher.
Yes.
Right. So what do you do to maintain your quality in terms of the labels that you build? Is there some quality measures or inspections that you do?
But as you know, the different products with the different quantities, so I can tell you the correct number,
right.
correct quantity. So different. It depends on the.
What are the new technologies which you are using to scale your products? Are you having some cutting edge technology which you are displaying here in this exhibition?
At the moment, environmental is the key. So we need to protect the environmental. So what we use normally, the most important thing to the use recycled material or something, keep the environmental. So this is the first thing and the most important key. Yeah.
Mementos and there's labels and then this basically where would this label would go in? This will in the cloth, right? In the
some is on the garment, some is heat transfer, use the high. So
Heat transfer.
different products use the different weights on the clothes. Some use the strength, some heat transfer, some are the stick, and some others they are mainly metals.
Yeah. So you do it through the heat transfer.
Prefer because the cost save the cost than the traditional one to the seal on the clothes, and they save some. Just use machine and it's quicker and no need so much the freight the workers.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.